QuickC. Microsoft QuickC is a discontinued commercial integrated development environment IDE product engineered by Microsoft for the C programming language, superseded by Visual C++ Standard Edition. Its main competitor was Borland Turbo C. QuickC is one of 3 Microsoft programming languages, with IDE of this type marketed in the same period, the other 2 being QuickBasic and QuickPascal. QuickBasic later gave rise to Visual Basic, as well as being included without a linker as QBasic in later versions of MS-DOS, replacing GWBasic. QuickC is a lineal ancestor of Visual C++. The 3 Quick language implementations were designed for power users as opposed to professional developers, whom Microsoft supplied with programming languages in the form of expensive and more comprehensive implementations for the 3 languages in question, as well as C++, Fortran, and Cobol, and educational use. In all 3 cases, their major competitor was Microsoft Macro Assembler. Also competes with Borland's Turbo AssemblerQuickC was a real-mode target-only compiler, with the exception of QuickC for Windows 1.0, which also allowed to compile protected mode programs, but only for Windows. Version history. QuickC 1.0, released in October 1987. It implements the ANSI C standard and is Microsoft C 5.0 compatible. Code view is also supported. The release had known compatibility issues with WD-HDD controllers. QuickC 1.1. QuickC 2.0, released in January 1989. New features included incremental compiling and linking, improved compilation speed, built-in assembler, and support for all memory models. It was Microsoft C 5.1 compatible. QuickC 2.1, released in June 1989. QuickAssembler was included in this release. It was Microsoft Source Profiler compatible. QuickC 2.50, released in May 1990. QuickC 2.51, released in 1990. QuickC for Windows 1.0, released in September 1991. It was the first Windows-based IDE for C and was also available in a bundle with Microsoft C 6.0 and Windows SDK. The IDE made use of some undocumented Windows API calls. It was still possible to target DOS with this version, but these DOS programs were limited to real-mode programs.